What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on Wells Fargo, and today we are gonna be exploring home mortgage loans, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So, of course, as a banking platform, Wells Fargo offers you home mortgage loans. And as they say, the right home starts with the right mortgage. You can take the first step with Wells Fargo by getting pre-qualified by pressing on this option over here and filling out this form particularly. So basically, first steps are of course seeing what you can afford. You can find out in minutes how much you can borrow and receive a customized mortgage estimate. Then of course you can shop and browse for homes and learn how to buy your first home. Basically they are teaching you about home buying. Basically you need to get pre-qualified, as I told you, getting to shop and basically applying for a mortgage. Basically you're having some resources as a home buyer. You can set your home buying budget, calculate your rate and payment. You can also low down payment as an option and buying your first home. Of course, you can read the 4 costs tied to making an offer, important documentation, and so on and so forth about home buying. I'm gonna leave that to you. From there on, we are having some refinance options, as basically you can see your refinance rate and payment and estimate your home's value. And of course, you can get more with your mortgage. Basically, we are having $10,000 down payment grant, up to $5,000 for closing costs and relationship mortgage discounts. And of course, you can grow your knowledge about their mortgage tools and with their specific tools as mortgage calculator, today's mortgage and refinancing rates, a learning center, and managing your account. These 4 options I'm leaving up to you to explore. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.